Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to extend song on Suno. First, open the Suno application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the library icon that you can see on your screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your songs over here. Tap on the three dots right next to the song that you want to extend. After you do that, you'll have to tap on this option Remix. Now you'll be able to remix the song. Tap on this option Advanced that you can see on your screen. Now you can edit the song over here. Tap on the field where cover is selected. Now you can see the option for extend over here. Tap on it. Now the song will be extended. You can also select the timestamp over here. Tap on the create option that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now after you do that, the extended version of the song will be created. Like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you extend song on Suno. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.